Welcome to the JWK show. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you guys are having a great day. We talk about crypto news and we keep things short and concise. We have a 2-year delta for this Mr. Pool tweet, and we can see we have a long line of people getting gas. And this was from 10/25/21. We are seeing a 2-year delta, and it looks like the next narrative will be the Middle Eastern oil prices due to war. And with the Black Swan event happening, the Israel-Hamas conflict, will that drive the price of oil to $150 per barrel? Guys, we'll see. As of now, the current price is $88.31. And we had this post as well. We have Stand with China, who's supporting. We have all this, Wash the Water, Blackout, Crash, the Sargasara. And we have oil at $150 per barrel. Israel last, Dollar Tank, Gold, Silver, Biting Crime, and so on. So it seems like all of this will be happening. But nonetheless, guys, a Black Swan event is 100% guaranteed. Now we have breaking. Banks are collapsing. 4 of Wall Street's banks have plummeted to levels not seen since the devastating March banking crisis, and the YTD losses are staggering, ranging from -15 to -24%, causing significant concerns for investors and overall market. We have Citigroup, Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, all down around 15 to 23%. We will see another banking collapse happening. We have another glitch happening to the US debt clock, and it says money creation is a S only a wizard could love. So very interesting stuff. The glitches of the debt clock have been exposing all of the corruption going on with our financial system. And at the same time, we have BRICS coming in. They're going to have an extra 51.4 GDP higher than the G7 when all countries join real soon. New members join on January 1st, 2024. So currently we have BRICS at 30.8 trillion and G7 at 45.9 trillion. And the rest of the world is at 28.9 trillion. These are the new BRICS members. So in 2024, guys, BRICS will have a higher GDP than the G7. And from Cyprex, make sure to check him out on his YouTube channel. Will the trend continue bullish, or will the Feds kill everyone's hopes and dreams? As of now, guys, we have seen the price of XRP pumping and cryptos pumping as a whole, and we are currently trading at 55 cents.
What is going on, everybody? Real fast, just showing you all the transparency in the CyberX community, along with giving you an updated fundamental and technical analysis overview. Now, over the past couple of hours, I'm sure that you all have noticed that the entire cryptocurrency market has recently seen an uptick in price. Back on the 15th of October, we had been telling our CyberX community to be paying attention to these potential price increases. Where we said, if we can see the dollar pull back and XRP back above 50 cents, we will start to look for intraday buys for 55 to 60 cent targets during London and Asia session, as long as the market mood remains optimistic, which we have recently seen. Now, as of time of recording, you can see that the first bullish targets of 55 cents have been met. That is down there on the 15th of October when those price messages were sent to the CyberX students. But let's get into the fundamental factors and what to expect from potential market fundamentals moving forward for this week. Now, we know that the overall positive sentiment has been influenced by several key factors. One being the de-escalation temporarily of the conflict in Israel, which led to profit-taking on assets like gold. Now, usually when we see profit-taking on assets like gold, where gold hit 2,000 and dropped all the way back down into the 1960s, when this happens, funds usually tend to flow into digital assets, which benefit the cryptocurrency market. The second thing that we saw was selling pressure on the US dollar market due to expectations surrounding the dovish statements from Jerome Powell that took place in the market last week, when multiple Federal Reserve speakers, including Jerome Powell, held a more dovish tone in the market. Now, the current positive sentiment in the cryptocurrency market will depend on several key factors moving forward. This will be if the Federal Reserve continues to express a dovish tone, and the economic data that comes out this week suggests that inflation is under control. This will support a risk-on market sentiment. Whereas conversely, if Powell adopts a more hawkish stance and we see high inflation data along with low unemployment claims, it could strengthen the US dollar while affecting cryptocurrencies negatively. So these are fundamental factors that you should be paying attention to this week. It is also crucial to monitor the geopolitical situation, particularly the tensions between Israel and Hamas, as they could impact the demand for safe haven assets like the US dollar or gold, which would cause a risk-off market mood, drive more demand for safe haven currencies, therefore weighing down on crypto prices. As always, many blessings to you all. Be cognizant.
That is it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.